Anu's kitchen. Today I am going to prepare turmeric milk. Turmeric is a natural detoxifier. Giving turmeric milk to children is a traditional way in India and it helps in boosting the child's immunity. Milk helps in strengthening the bones. Now let's see how to prepare the turmeric milk. Now let's look at the ingredients. Here we have only a few ingredients for turmeric milk. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 glass of milk, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of ghee. Let's look at the recipe. Take a pan and heat the pan. Keep it in medium flame and pour 1 glass of milk into the pan. And stir it and allow the milk to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the milk is getting boiled. Now at this stage, you have to add the turmeric powder, then the pepper powder, and half teaspoon of ghee and stir it well for about 2 minutes. Pepper powder is mixed well. Now you have to strain it into another container. Allow it to cool for some time and then you can transfer it into a glass. Milk is ready to serve. See the benefits of turmeric milk. Turmeric milk helps in weight loss. It also helps to cure pimples and it is used as a home remedy for cold and cough. It helps to sleep better. It helps in boosting immunity levels. Disclaimer: do not have this milk if you are allergic to any of the ingredients used in it, or have any kidney disease, or on a blood thinning medication. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching Anu's Kitchen.